join. Sam, tell our guest everything you know about this river.
Well now, I always figure it is better to keep your mouth shut and appear stupid than to open it and remove all doubt. But I will tell you this, I love this river more than anything else. I've loved this river, even from the time I was a toddler back in Missouri. Before we get too much further out of port, I think I should mention that you'd best not be sitting on those handrails. They're the only thing between you and the river, and the river don't always take kindly to uninvited guests. We also had reports of river pirates operating in the vicinity, so I wouldn't lean out beyond those rails for that reason either. Now, for those of you on the port side, that river town we're passing is frontier land. A few years back, it was no more than a boom town carved out of the wilderness by a handful of settlers looking to start a new life. Today, gentility and decorum are running rampant. Oh, it still has its share of footloose trappers, field boaters, prospectors, and Indians too, but mostly it's flush time and well on its way to becoming a fine big city. Frontier land reminds me some of my own hometown, Hannibal. It takes me back to when I was a barefoot boy rolling alongside the riverbank. You know, it seems to me that when I was young,
there's Tom Sawyer's Island. Do you remember doing that?
Whether it
We took
happened
the
or
little
not.
raft boat over and
As I grow
explored.
older, I seem to remember only the things that never happened at all.
Yes, honey. That's the little raft boat that goes to Tom Sawyer's.
Is Tom Sawyer's Island still open? I mean, Tom Sawyer's Island still open?
It is, yeah.
I thought they were shutting it down for filming too.
I thought so too. I think it looks like they're doing actual work to cover it. I'm not sure, but. Alright, who's getting a hot dog? Wait, what?
No, they're doing work that's underground.
Lots of adventure, if you know where to look. And we all knew where to look. That's Superstition Bridge. It connects the Big Island to the Little one. And if you follow the Wilderness Trail there, it'll lead you right up to the gates of Fort Lang. It's the last trading outpost before we head into Indian country.
You want fries or a cutie? Why don't you stay up here on the bottom? A buoy? You do see a buoy. What do you want, fries? Come right back up.
Here's the real heroes. Yeah, I didn't do that. It was shiny like a dragon.
After nightfall, they'll return to warn the great warriors who brought honor to the tribe.
Attention deck watch. Controls to port and starboard. Engine room, steady on.
We're entering shallow water, but there's no cause for worry. Sam knows every shoal and shallow, every snag and sandbar in this part of the river, and he'll navigate us through to safe water. You wouldn't steer us wrong, would you, Sam?
I believe we ought never to do wrong, Captain. Especially when others are looking. Leadsman, sing out.
Those of you that have been this way before know that the water can get fairly shallow along this stretch of the river. The leadsman call out the depth. Each mark is a fathom, or 6 feet. Mark Twain is 2 fathoms, and for us that means safe water.
Captain, we're passing Cutthroat Corner. Attention deck crew, stay alert. If there's river pirates out here, this is where they'll most likely be. I can hear them from here. After all the commotion, it sounds like their interests lie elsewhere. Trading post. Then as settlers started heading west, the army came in and took them over. My feeling is, these days, there's a lot less frontier and a lot more civilization than is truly necessary. hereabouts say it's haunted. They say it was built on sacred Indian burial ground. And it deals with spirits. If you ask me, I'd say the one telling those tales are the ones spilling spirits. Want proof? Just ask them. They got it. About 100 proofs. And what you do, don't strike any matches today and breathe in your direction. But you won't just be seeing them, you'll be joining them. We're approaching Liberty Square, which is home court. We'll be putting into dock shortly, so those of you on the upper two deck might be of a mind to collect all your parcels to get to the lower deck. Got youngins, you'll want to take them in here before they get out of hand. On behalf of the captain, myself, and the crew, thanks for flying the waterways with us. I hope I see you next time round the river beach.
Thanks, Sam, and thank you, everyone, for traveling the rivers of America with us today.
Engine room.